Good afternoon. My name is Fabian Alberto Zambrano Angulo. I am 29 years old. I live in Bogota, Colombia, and I am environmental technician. I like to read, listen to music, and soccer play. And my family is made for my mother, father, and grandmother. Where are you going for vacation? I am going to Cartagena with my family. When are you going for vacation? I will go next year with my family. How long are you going to be on vacation? I will be 15 uh, days. Where are you going to stay? I will be on the Varu beaches. What are you going to do? Um, I will work hard and save enough money. What are you going to wear? I will wear shorts and shirts and flip-flops. I will also bring a camera to take some photos of the tourist sites. How much money are you going to take? I will spend 2 million pesos for the trip. Who are you going with? I am going to go with my mother, grandmother, and stepfather. Thank you very much.